Today I'm preparing this bed for some planting, and it's been fallow for a couple of years now and I'm really getting fed up with it, so I just want to finish it off because it's the last bed in the garden. The first thing I'm going to do is rake off all the dead leaves, and for that I'm using this adjustable rake. It's brilliant because in the bigger areas where you've got lots of leaves, you can get a really wide span on it and collect all those leaves up. But if you're getting in between shrubs and particularly in between the hedge, I can make this much smaller, and then it's almost like a detail rake, and you can get right in underneath those shrubs and pull out all those dead leaves, which is stopping any rain that falls get into the roots of the plant. I'm then forking out any weeds which have seeded in. These are Sarcococca seedlings which have just self-seeded underneath the plant. It does produce quite a few berries, so that's why we get all these resulting seedlings. But I'm taking these out because I don't want any more of these plants. The next stage is to fork the whole area over. Now I've just discovered this never bend fork. I've been through quite a lot of forks if I'm honest, because sometimes the handle snaps or the fork tines bend, but this never bend range, they're not the most attractive on the market, but they are, I think, one of the strongest. And if you're looking for a tool that won't let you down, this is the one for you. And you can finish off the soil preparation by beating the large clods with the back of a fork. I'm then going to add a 50mm layer of well-rotted compost and dig that in, before I then mulch the soil with another 50mm of compost. That will then make the perfect planting place for all my new plants. Until next time, bye bye.